Yo. Right, so this is a, or the ensuite that I've done. I'll show you this. This is why I love strip drains. I've got to do a few little things. I broke a tile in the corner when I was doing the vanity, so I've just got to pop a piece of tile in. But no biggie. The shower screen comes across here. It's coming out 800, and they usually go up to about 2 meters, 1900 or 2 meters. Comes out 1800. So if they're standing in the shower looking into the mirror, it doesn't matter. Now look at this. And I have got a water stop here. A water stop is under my grout, and it goes across there. That's why I love strip drains so much. Now when they're having a shower, it might come out a little bit more, but not that much. That's cool, eh? I love them. I love the strip drain. It drains away so fast, it's, you know, beautiful. Love it. Okay, we'll see ya. And a nice little niche there. This was a braced wall, so, and there's too much stuff in here. And it's a load bearing wall. This isn't, so I put it there. Okay, see you soon.